Welcome back to Will We Boom It! Today we're going to be doing some doorbell thingies with a wheel.
It's embarrassing, bro.
I will show you them. I'm going first. I'm going to spin it and I'll explain what it is. There's one free pass, right?
Yes, like 3 or 2. Free pass.
Did you work at a job? I'm from McFarland.
Our history tells us that women
Hello?
community are right.
Hey, free pass! Let's go! Go. Let's see. You get me. I'm just going for a hug. Oh my God! No!
I hope it's a young girl.
Yeah, me too.
Are you excited?
If it's a young girl, yeah.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Hello.
Like your kicks, man. They're nice.
Thank you. I just had a question. I've had a rough couple of days. Can I get a hug really quick? Just like a side hug really quick.
Oh, sure. I can hug anybody, buddy. I love people.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for the help.
So what's up?
So basically, I've just had like a rough couple of days in school and stuff.
Yeah.
So I just need some help lately. So yeah.
Yeah.
I just need like encouragement. So yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. God bless you, brother. You have a good day.
You too.
I got to get up the road. You just caught me just in time. Take care.
You too.
My turn. I don't want to do it. Oh, that's him. Holy cow.
What's up with that car?
Alright, whatever. Alright, boys. This one. Oh, I have to race someone.
Let me see. I can see it.
Actually,
Like on
accidentally
foot.
said reach, but I have to race someone in their yard.
Like on foot.
I was just wondering if you would like to race me in the road.
I would like to race you.
Yeah, just really quick.
I don't understand, like run race?
Yeah, like on foot.
That's okay. I pass.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. Run.
Crap.
Asking first.
That's so easy.
Okay, I got this. Hi, I was just wondering if Bart Simpson lives here. No, he doesn't. Oh, okay.
So basically, we're trying to do videos. So it's my first name one, probably. So this is a new series. This is a series called We'll Do It. We'll do it. I'm gonna go.
What is that? Okay, so we torture dancing for that.
So we have to be recording this one from a distance.
Yeah?
Howdy.
Hi.
I'm doing this video and
Yeah.
I have to dance for one of the things. So am I allowed to really quick for 20 seconds?
Dan's here?
Yeah, right out here.
Sure.
Okay. Get ready. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's all I got. Yeah, thank you.
All right, have a nice day.
You too.
Alright, it's your turn anyways.
I found the worst ones.
Just stare at them and not say anything. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds.
Hello. How's it going? What's up? Looking for somebody? Okay. Need something? What are you doing? Okay.
As long as I don't get the bathroom one, I'm fine with whatever. Oh my gosh, let's go.